Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we're making French onion chicken. So let's get started. This French onion chicken is going to be made in the slow cooker. But beforehand, we've got to get our chicken seared up. And I've got chicken thighs here, and I've got them all seasoned up. And this is just salt, pepper, and paprika. So we're going to throw these on the skillet and get them all nice and cooked up before we can transfer them over to our crock pot, because I am all about a good crock pot meal. All right, we're gonna pull this chicken and then we're gonna go over and we're gonna start on the broth. Let's get the broth made up for this French onion chicken before we get ready to throw it all in the crock pot. So this is just beef broth, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some ground thyme, and then a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. So we're just going to get this mixed up, and then it's time to head over to the crock pot. All right, it's time to bring all these ingredients together in our crock pot so we can get this going for us. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? Okay, so we're starting out with, we've got some thinly sliced onion spread around the bottom, and we're going to throw some minced garlic in with that. And then our chicken is going to get laid right across the top of this onion. Doesn't that look so good? Yeah, a good crock pot meal is ideal. Our beef broth that we had. So this is just going to get poured over on top. And here we go. Look at that. Let me get all that yumminess. I want all those flavors. Always want all the flavors. So there we go. So all we do now is we're going to cover this and we're going to cook this on high for about 3 to 4 hours. So I'll catch you back here in a bit. French onion chicken is done and it smells divine. Yummy. Look at how good that looks. Oh, it looks so yummy. All right, so we're gonna plate up because it's time to have some dinner. All right, our French onion chicken is all done. I love the versatility because this could go over anything. I went ahead and put it over white rice, but you could use egg noodles, just about anything. That's what I loved about this. So, but it looks so good and it smells so amazing. So now we have to try it, right? Because it does. Oh, look at that. The chicken just falls apart. That's yummy. That is really, really, really good. This one was a game changer and a winner, so we love it. So there you go. I hope you guys had fun today because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.